The Secret Code of Life, Understanding Primary Protein Structure. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wonder what determines the final, complex shape of a protein? It all starts with a simple sequence, a sort of secret code, known as the primary structure. Primary structure of protein. The primary structure of protein is simply the exact, specific ordering of amino acids forming its chains. Think of it as the most fundamental level of protein organization. These chains, called polypeptide chains, are made up of amino acids arranged in a precise sequence. This sequence is absolutely critical because it determines the protein's final 3D fold and ultimately, its function. You could imagine this primary structure like a popcorn stringer for a Christmas tree. The protein's function is the final decoration, and the primary structure is the exact order in which you string together different shapes and varieties of popped madge. Any change in the sequence changes the entire protein. So, what holds this crucial sequence together? The primary structure is maintained by strong covalent bonds, specifically called peptide bonds, which connect one amino acid to the next. Before we move on, let's quickly remember the building blocks. Amino acids are small organic molecules that all share a similar structure, except for their fourth substituent, the side chain, or R group. It's this unique side chain that differentiates one amino acid from another. This specific sequence, this code, is encrypted in the DNA genetic code of an organism. It's the blueprint. But here's where things can go wrong. If a mutation is present in the DNA, the amino acid sequence can be changed. And even a single change can have profound effects on the protein's function. In fact, all documented genetic disorders, like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia, are caused by mutations that result in alterations in the primary protein structure. An altered primary structure often triggers a domino effect, leading to subsequent alterations in the secondary, tertiary, and potentially the quaternary structure. Basically, if the starting sequence is wrong, the final 3D shape, the key to its function, will be wrong too. So, the next time you hear about protein function, remember that the primary structure is the foundation. It's the simple, linear, yet incredibly powerful, sequence that determines the complex machinery of life. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more biology breakdown videos. Let us know in the comments what protein structure level you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching.